Bonjour.
Bonjour.
I am Boum and she is Twa.
I am Twa and he is Boum.
That's what I just said.
Don't you tell me what not to do.
Anyways,
Anyway.
why are we here?
Why are we here?
To teach you a hat sequence.
Oh, I love
That-
sequences.
This hat sequence we entitled the Buttery Biscuit.
Buttery biscuits are yummy.
Yes, and it is comprised of 3 moves. Move number 1. Off of the head, down the arm. That move again. That's move number 1. Move number 2 is a fancy move that looks like this. It's a flourish. It is a thumb twirl in a rainbow shape.
Rainbows are fun.
That is move number 2. Are you ready for move number 3? You don't have a choice.
It's happening now. From the back.
Yeah.
Nice, Boum.
Thank you, Twa. This has been the Buttery Biscuit by Boum Twa. The whole thing.
The whole thing.
Here we go. From the back.
From the back.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This has been another Boum Twa performance tutorial.
We love you.
Thank you, Daddy. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Bonjour, I am Boum and she is Twa.
I am Twa and he is Boum.
We are Boum Twa.
We just said that.
Anyways, this has been a tutorial for the Buttery Biscuit. We are at Phlegm Festival 2017.
And we love you so much.